Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 22 of our 30 days of yoga series. And today's theme is twist. So we'll be working on Eye of the Needle and a few other twists. So the only thing that you'll need today is your mat. So grab your mat and we'll get started. So we'll start seated, and we'll start with 3 breaths. So lift the shoulders up and back, sit tall. Let's take an inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And then we're going to transition with the feet on the mat. Knees are bent. Lift the shoulders up and back. Hands can start behind the thighs. And then lean back and lift the feet so the heels and ankles are kind of in line with the knees. Coming into boat pose. You can also opt to release the hands. Take 2 full breaths. And then slowly release the feet down. We're going to extend the legs. And then you're going to bend the right knee. Place that foot on the mat to start. And then we'll lift the foot and cross it over the left leg. Bring the left hand to the outside of the right knee and the right hand behind you. Just coming into a twist. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. And then slowly release, coming back to center. And then we'll re-bend that left knee. Coming back to our boat pose, lifting the shoulders up and back. Lean back and lift, hold for 2 breaths. And then release down, extending the right leg, placing the left foot on the mat to start, and then we're going to cross the left foot over the right. Bring the right hand to the left knee and the left hand behind you and twisting to the left. Coming back to our 3 breaths. Let's inhale here. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly coming back to center. And coming back down. So we're going to transition coming over to table pose, our hands and knees. So we'll start with the shoulders over the wrists and hips over the knees. So we're going to do a little bit of Eye of the Needle. Just a little twist for the arms and the shoulders. You're going to start by keeping the right hand down. Inhale as you bring that left arm up. Exhale as you bring it back down and underneath the right arm. We're not bringing it down yet, but inhale as you bring it out and up. Exhale as you bring it down and through. One more time. Inhale, out and up. And exhale, down and through. This time, allowing the left shoulder to come down, the head rests on the mat, and then the right arm can come forward and you're looking under your right shoulder. 2 full breaths. And then bringing the right hand back to its original place. And then we'll inhale, lifting up, reaching that left hand back out and up. And exhale as we bring it back down. Resetting in your table pose. We'll do the same on the other side. So inhale as you bring that right arm out and up. Exhale as you bring it down and through. Inhale, out and up. Exhale, down and through. Last time, inhale, out and up. Exhale, down and through. Bring the head down. Reaching that left arm forward, looking under the left shoulder. 2 more full breaths here. And then bringing the left hand back to its original place. Inhale, right arm comes out and up. And exhale as you come down. And then we'll transition back to sit. We're going to come back to our boat pose. So bending the knees and placing the feet on the mat. Inhale. And shoulders up and back. Exhale, lifting the feet. 2 full breaths here. And then coming down. Extending the left foot. And then crossing the right foot over. Left hand to right knee. Right hand behind you. 3 full breaths here. And slowly rewind, coming back, setting up for our last boat pose. So with the shoulders up and back, lean back, lift the feet. 2 full breaths. And then slowly releasing, extending the right foot, bringing the left foot across the right leg. Right hand to left knee and left hand behind you. 3 full breaths here. And slowly rewinding. We'll come back to a seated position. And just sitting tall, lifting the shoulders up and back, keeping a tall spine, head in line with the spine. We'll end with 3 deep breaths here. So when you're ready, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And bring the palms of your hands together. Bring them to your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste.